Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. Today we will see crochet tutorial for head side hair for Santa applique. Crochet tutorial for head side hair. Now we start with the slip knot. First we will make right side hair. Here I make my slip knot. Needle I am using is of 3.5 mm. After slip knot we make 25 chain crochet stitches. Your 25 chain crochet stitches is done. Now skip 3 stitches after current loop on the needle. Okay, we have to skip 3 stitches, and from 4th stitch we will start making 1 double crochet stitch in each single stitch till end. Okay, so we have to skip 3 stitches after current loop on the needle, and from 4th stitch we will start making 1 double crochet stitch in each single stitch till end. I'll just complete this and show you. Now here we are done with all last stitch. Okay, now we make a chain crochet stitch and turn a crochet work. Now see, using front loop, this front loop of each stitch, we will make one single crochet stitch in each single stitch. Okay, from first to 15 stitch we have to skip ending last 10 stitches. We are not doing anything in last 10 stitches. So using front loop of each stitch we will make one single crochet stitch from first stitch to 15th stitch. So I'll just complete this and I'll show you. Now here we are done with the 15th stitch. Yeah, now we make a chain crochet stitch and turn a crochet work. Okay, now see, in first stitch we will skip first stitch. Okay, second stitch, now all stitches we are going to make by using back loop of each stitch. Second stitch will be a single crochet stitch. Third stitch will be a half double crochet stitch, and rest all stitches are going to be one double crochet stitch in each single stitch. Okay, using back loop of each stitch. So I'll just complete this and I'll show you. First we skipped first stitch, second stitch we made a single crochet stitch, third stitch we made a half double crochet stitch, and in from 4th to 15th stitch we are making one double crochet stitch in each single stitch. Yeah, we are almost done. There goes our last stitch. Now we just make 3 chain crochet stitches and we join it with the 15th stitch with the slip stitch. Now for last round we will just make one slip stitch in each single stitch all around this design. Okay, one slip stitch in each single stitch all around this pattern. So I'll just complete this thing. Then we have to start with left side hair also. This was right side hair. Now for left side hair, first row is same, exactly same. Then when we are done with the last stitch, we make a chain crochet and turn a crochet work. Now we make one single stitch in each one single crochet stitch in each single stitch using back loop. Okay, in right side here we use front loop, in left side here we will use back loop. Okay, so we will make again we will make it from first stitch to 15 stitch. We will skip ending 10 stitches. Okay, and we will make one single crochet stitch in each single stitch using back loop of each stitch. I'll just complete this and I'll show you. Now here we are done it with a 15 stitch. So we will make one chain crochet stitch and turn a crochet work. Okay, now we will skip first stitch. Now we will make all stitches using front loop of each stitch. Okay, so first stitch will be we will skip first stitch. Second stitch we make a single crochet stitch. Third stitch we make a half double crochet stitch using front loop. All stitches we are making by using front loop of each stitch. Okay, and after that from 4th stitch to 15th stitch we will make one double crochet stitch in each single stitch using front loop of each stitch. Remember, one double crochet stitch in each single stitch from 4th to 15th using front loop of each stitch. Now again we are done with 15 stitch. Here goes our 15 stitch. Now we make 3 chain crochet stitches and join the third stitch with the 15th stitch. And now we turn our crochet work. Okay, and now we will make one slip stitch in each single stitch. For last round we will make one slip stitch in each single stitch all around, and then our left side hair is also ready. So right and left both side hair are ready. So I'll just complete this and I'll show you by placing both of them. Now this was crochet tutorial for head side hair. As Santa Claus applique have the Santa Claus cap, hat, and like beard is there, and rest all things come. So like even if we do head side hair, it is enough. We don't need more of it. So this is how it will look on the applique. In fact, I'll show you how we assemble it and what is the final piece. I will show you that also. So if you have liked the video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe Sanjs Aasha. So this is how we are going to assemble all parts for our Santa Claus applique. Now first we keep those head side hair, and above that white border for the cap comes. So like upper part of the hair will be hidden, and then we keep rest of it. So please if you like the video, like, comment, share, and subscribe Sanjs Aasha. You will get links for like complete applique crochet tutorial. There are 3 parts. You will get a link in description for all 3 parts. So please like, comment, share and subscribe Sanjs Aasha. Thank you.
Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Thank
दाखव
you.